Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, hands-free communication, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.